Hi everyone, this is Pallavi. I'm from Niswey, a HubSpot Elite Partner. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and tell you how to create a multimedia text message using the NisWire HubSpot Telegram integration. So previously for a plain text message, we used a sample workflow. So we'll go ahead and just try that itself. And once it opens up, click on the plus icon. Type in NisWire, click on send message, and this time we'll go ahead and choose the media message. Now for the media message, you have a particular section where you can enter your message and also the type of media that you would like to use, the URL basically. So it could be a GIF, a PDF, or a playbook, whatever it could be. You can go ahead and input the same. In my case, I have a sample message wishing Halloween. So I'll be inputting that. And I will go ahead and just save this. So this is how you go ahead and create a multimedia text message and structure them in your workflow to go ahead and send to your customers. So that's about it. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.